Good morning, class 2 children. Now let us start in English literature, chapter 15, Father of the Nation. You know that Father of the Nation, who is he? You know it very well, so let us start to read. It was the 2nd of October, it was a national holiday because of Gandhi Jayanti. Gopal and Meena were getting ready to go to Gandhi Park, which was nearby. Their aunt Saroj was sitting in her chair, waiting for the children. Come down, children, she called out, and Gopal and Meena came running down the stairs. Meena wore a pretty frock. She had a pair of bows in her hair. Gopal was wearing his new vest. The children and their aunt walked quickly to the park, enjoying the fresh air. They saw the national flag flying high up in the air. There were many boys and girls in the park. Many of the girls had put on clothes of gay colors. The place looked like a fair. See the children? All are here. In the middle of the park, there was a big statue of Gandhiji. It stood on a platform. Just below the statue were the words Father of the Nation. See the statue. Meena asked Auntie, why is he called Father of the Nation? He was like a father to the poor people of our country. He is known as Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma means the great one, but he liked to be called Bapu, which means father, said Aunt Saroj. Gopal said, our teacher told us that it was Gandhiji who freed our country. He helped us to become a great nation. Is it true? Asked Meena. That Gandhiji was a man of peace who believed that even our enemies could be won over by love and kindness. Aunt Saroj replied, when you grow older, you will learn a lot about our long fight for freedom against British rule. Many leaders took part in this fight, but it was Gandhiji who showed us the right way, the way of fighting against British rule without hating the British people. He laid down his life because he wanted to win over the love and kindness all those who did not agree with him. He is dead, but his name can never die. He is truly the father of the nation. Children, in this chapter you read about Mahatma Gandhi, and he was called the father of the nation. 2nd October, it was his birthday, and on that day it is a holiday and due to Gandhi Jayanti. Gopal and Meena, they were ready to go to the Gandhi Park, which is nearby to their house, and his aunt Saroj was waiting them. Meena wore a pair of bows, a pretty frock, whereas Gopal was wearing new vest. And and one national flag was flying high up in the air. The boys, girls are in the park. They are celebrating the day. In the middle of the park, there was a big statue. And Meena asked about why he is called Father of the Nation. Then their auntie discussed about them that Mahatma means great one, but Mahatma Gandhi liked to be called Bapu, that means father. And Gopal said their teacher also said about Gandhiji who freed our country and helped to become a great nation, because at that time India was ruled by the British, and he believed the kindness. Aunt Saroj replied told them that when they became older, then they will know about the long fight of freedom against the British rule. And many leaders took part in that fight, and without hating the British people. He laid down his life to become wanted the win over with love and kindness. Main thing is that love and kindness without fighting. And he is dead now, but his name can be never die. He is truly called the father of the nation.